All right, what is good, and welcome back to the Ryzu. Today we're doing the Yonkos versus Admirals tier list. What does that mean? I don't know. We're just rating the Yonkos and the Admirals, okay? This is not based on strength. This is not based on strength.
Based off strength, it's kind of boring to be honest. So, all right, let me start. Okay. All right, so yeah, we have Green Bull.
Where's Garp?
He's not an admiral.
No, but
he's not an admiral.
No, he's a hero.
We have Green Bull. All right,
he's not an admiral, but he's a hero. There should be Yonko.
Oh my god, he's not an admiral. So we have Green Bull. He had a pretty strong start, to be honest.
He
smashed them, bro. But then he shit himself, and that was pretty.
He killed everybody, and where is he now?
Bro, Green Bull's
but then he shit his pants. He's a fraud, bro. He's a fraud.
He's a fraud.
He's the faker.
He's a fraud. Bro, he tried to kill Ryzo. He tried to kill Ryzo.
He tried to kill Ryzo.
He did kill Ryzo. Ryzo's dead.
No, we know that Ryzo's unstoppable. He's gonna reincarnate.
Wait. Okay. Ryzo's dead?
No.
Dude, is he like D? In the Ryzo.
I think he's like D. Like he's kind of dumb.
No. He hasn't done much, bro.
Yeah, I'll put him D.
I think he's like, bro, he sucks. Alright,
all he did was cry and eat pink slime.
Buggy, the leader of the Gross Guild. Leader of the
Gross Guild leader.
Bro,
I think it's like Esther insane for sure. It's probably like...
No, Buggy's insane.
He's probably insane.
Dude, he has the highest bounty in One Piece. He has the highest bounty in One Piece.
We don't know his bounty yet, actually.
Yeah, because it's too high.
It could be.
It's too high.
It's too high. It's too high. Dude, he makes bounties now for the Marines. He's like,
yeah, dude, he's putting bounties on other people. What a crazy
He's awesome. He's awesome.
It's too high, but that's why he's
Dude, he
his
fucking
bounty's
turned
so
the
high.
tables. He flipped the script.
He really did flip the script.
His bounty's so high, he's putting bounties on other people.
No, think about it. It has so many zeros.
He's sharing his bounty.
Paper, bro. It has too many zeros. Bro.
Dude, he's literally sharing his bounty with other people because it's too high. That's crazy.
Alright, Big Mom.
Big Mom's
like
B tier.
L.
No,
every time I
when Buggy's bounty is revealed, they're gonna need to do a two-page spread just to fit
all
the
page,
zeros, man.
Okay, hear me out. Big Mom is responsible for Zeus.
No,
that's gotta count for something.
Zeus is like
every fucking time you see her, she's getting her ass kicked, bro. She's like, honestly, she always loses.
Dude, you need to.
Okay, dude. Okay.
Bro, honestly, we did Zeus dirty on the One Piece tier.
Yeah, like Zeus is awesome, so I think Big Mom
should be S tier. He should be S tier. So should Sabo, bro.
I'll give a B. I'll give a B for Big. She's an interesting.
I think B for Big Mother. She's like, oh, cool.
B for Big.
Dude, she ate her foster mother. That's crazy. He ate me. She ate me. Like, come on.
Bro, she ate a whole group of people, bro.
She has a proper backstory, unlike
she ate her entire cohort.
Bro, like, she's like a joke every time. She always loses, bro. She almost
you need to shut the fuck up,
bro. Like, we gave Buggy his sanity. He's a joke character, and now you're complaining about
people. We have too many people.
Yeah, bro. Name the one.
You just need to not have Dante in the call, who literally has only read like 15 chapters of One Piece.
Bro.
Less than that, bro.
Hi, you don't even know what One Piece is. You don't even know what One Piece is.
Oh my god. Okay, we have
Whitebeard.
Whitebeard.
He's insane. Like,
he is insane.
He's insane. But where's Brownbeard?
He's like, where's Pinkbeard?
He's the only Yonko that could have been the Pirate King, bro. He's the only Yonko that could have been the Pirate King.
Yeah, but he doesn't want to be the Pirate King.
Exactly.
Well, okay, besides maybe like Shanks, but we'll see.
Oh, I don't know.
Bro, Brownbeard is missing.
Yeah, he's just awesome. Brownbeard.
Yeah, Whitebeard's the easy insane.
Yeah, he's just so cool. Fuji, I really like. I think he's like at least us. Dude, Fujisaur is so cool.
He's
you don't think so?
No, he's A, bro. He's A. He's not that hot.
I agree, because I think we'll push someone else in S then. But yeah, I like him a lot. He's super cool.
I don't know. He's like a nice guy. He's too nice though. Like he needs to go a bit crazier. Like bro was just. But Doflamingo was about to kill a whole entire country, and he was just like trying to hold back some strings. Like I don't know. What
I don't know. I don't know.
No, but he's mad cool though. Like counter argument, he's cool.
Does he have glasses?
He's also blind.
Bro, what do you mean? Does he have glasses?
Dude, he's
blind.
You have to move him down, bro. He ripped off my character, bro. My character is blind and has gravity powers.
Oh.
Bro,
you literally ripped off. Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, bro.
Okay. All right, Ikenu.
I literally came up with this character before One Piece.
Okay, Ikenu.
Sure, buddy.
Ikenu is definitely like
Ikeno.
Kainu.
Ikenu's like, bro, fuck Ikenu.
I
He's
like him.
Oh, Kaido, dude.
No,
Kaido's
bro, he's
No, he's like-
stupid.
He's like a very well built up villain, bro.
No, he's stupid.
Bro, all
I
he
like
did
him
is
more than
make a
Green Bull.
donut. Like, that's not that
I
cool.
like him more than Green Bull, bro.
Ooh.
Fine.
No, he's stupid.
Yeah, but okay, but at least he didn't fucking shit himself. Alright, like,
He's
Put that guy
stupid.
down, then. Put the other guy down, then.
Fuck
Like,
Green Bull.
I'm
Fuck Green Bull.
ready to see it in action.
Yo, Kaido should be
I-
S tier.
Kaido's crazy.
Kaido's
Like,
us. Kaido's us.
the fucking drunk thing kind of ruined him. You
The
started crying.
drunk thing was
like,
really cool because that's like his authentic.
Had
Devious
crying,
Kaido, bro. Put Devious
Devious
Kaido on the
Kaido.
screen right now. Put him on the screen.
Yeah, I'll find
Kaido.
it. This is bro. Devious Kaido is so funny.
Devious
Oh my
Kaido.
God.
Yo, tell the
Devious
editor, bro.
Kaido.
Tell your editor.
Devious
We're
Kaido.
paying for this shit.
Oh yeah, Kaido's just like
Oh,
he's awesome. He's
Kizaru.
just a cool guy.
Yo, the pen pineapple apple
Bro,
pen guy.
Kizaru is my
I would go
favorite
S
admiral.
tier. He's
At
awesome.
least us. He's my
He's
favorite.
awesome, bro.
Dude,
He's
he's so
I see he has
awesome.
sunglasses. Put him in S.
No, he should be A tier. He should be A tier.
No, he has sunglasses.
I want him to
There's
be S,
aviators.
but if you guys
Kaido
all
level.
think A, I
He's-
can.
he's not Kaido.
He's not
Yeah,
Kaido level.
he's
like,
not.
he-
But
I
he
have
has
look at his
bias.
glasses.
Put him in A tier for awesome.
Bro,
'cause he's
Kaido-
awesome.
True.
Kaido packed up every single
no,
person
no,
on
like-
Onigashima, bro.
Like Kaido's a better
Like,
character.
Kaido
I just have
packed
personal bias
everybody.
toward Kizaru. But like, you're right.
He
put
Like,
every
he
single
folded that
person on
entire
Onigashima in
arc,
a
bro.
pack, bro.
Bro, Kong is
Yeah.
like a non-character.
Yeah, he doesn't really exist.
You should put him where you would put Brownbeard.
He is a fleet admiral though, so he needs to go.
Brown- Brownbeard
Brownbeard would be like
a
C.
modern
So.
No, Brownbeard would be insane.
He would be
Bro,
above
Above
the
No, we
Whitebeard.
can't put Kong at C, bro. It should
Okay,
be like
fine.
D.
No, Kong in
That's
C
right.
because like it's like C Kong.
Are you fucking okay?
Yeah. He's right. C
How
Kong.
King Kong, see.
C.
Aokiji's
C.
Aokiji's S for me, bro. Aokiji's S for me.
Aokiji?
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
No.
He's my favorite
Aokiji
Not
admiral.
higher
might
than
he
Kizaru,
might have
bro.
some plot relevance soon.
He's
maybe.
my favorite admiral, bro.
Yeah,
He's
put him
really
in
He
B
cool.
tier.
hasn't done too much. He was only really
He's
cool
awesome.
in like.
Yeah, but
He's B for Noah.
he has more potential than almost every
Listen,
character
bro.
on this list.
He's only appeared one time post
Yeah.
time skip, and
He
he,
does
was
have
crazy.
mad
He was
potential.
crazy when he appeared post.
Oh yeah, his moment with Dofi was pretty sick.
I think he should be A tier.
Okay, he's like I think he's like here. No, not there.
I
think he should be
I think he's
A
like
tier.
here.
I'm arguing S. I'm arguing.
Yeah.
I think he could become S or if not insane later.
No,
on.
bro. Like you gotta think about it. He hasn't done enough. Like you can't put him on the same level as Kaido.
Yeah, exactly. But like
Like,
in the
no,
Kaido
future,
is crazy.
in the
He's just-
future, sure, but I don't
Bro,
think yet.
he's just like that. though.
Although, I
He's
mean, like,
got
dude,
mad potential, but,
but
you
like
can't honestly act like he's on the same level.
Yeah,
as
well, also
Kaido.
Shanks barely does
The
anything.
water-
Fucking...
he's
well,
like that.
we didn't put Shanks there, did we, Dante?
No, we can put him insane, dude. We
Dude,
can put
nobody
Shanks
is arguing
insane.
that Shanks should be an S tier.
Okay, to be fair,
Disconnected from reality. Bro.
there's like the Water 7 stuff too, though, which is cool.
Yeah, the water.
Oh,
seven
Wisdom
stuff
is
is-
good.
That's what I
That
was
was-
gonna say.
Well, Jacob,
Like
that
the
was
water
actually part of
seven stuff
the
is like.
long
And
Yeah.
the opening 5, bro.
Jacob,
Ah.
is there Mysterious 4 on this list?
Clearly not.
Damn.
I think
Fuck, he's Mysterious 4.
he's not
He's
Kaido
not.
level. He's not
He's
Kaido
not
level.
Kaido level, bro.
He's
He's
not
not
Kaido
Kaido level.
Bro,
He's
he's
not
just like a better Fujitora, bro. Like
That's why he's in
disagree
A
with that.
tier above
But-
Fujitora.
Sure.
Where do you put Luffy? Luffy.
I mean, he's
Insane.
gotta be insane,
insane.
right? Like,
Bro,
He's at the top of the tier list. He's
yeah,
the best character in One
he's so
Piece.
he's so cool. Like,
Yeah, dude, the thing's named after him, bro.
he earned his spot,
One
bro.
Piece.
Earned his spot.
yeah, he earned his spot.
All right,
All right,
Blackbeard.
Brownbeard.
Brownbeard 2.
I'll put him in S tier.
This is Brownbeard's grandson.
Dude, okay, I want to put him S,
Gray
but is
beard.
that fair?
It is.
Yeah.
You think so? Okay, I'm fine.
No,
with that.
I wouldn't put him S though.
No,
Yeah,
I don't
you just
actually
agreed,
like him
what?
too much.
I mean, it's fair. But I
No,
wouldn't
no.
agree.
From like a character relevance standpoint, like I could see him being put in S, but I don't actually like Blackbeard.
Yeah,
that
I don't
much.
really
Like,
Yeah,
care about him
yeah.
though. I mean, like, okay, his fight with Ace was pretty cool, I guess.
I think he should be B tier for Blackbeard.
I mean, I like how he's like built up to be like the final villain, and like
I think I'll like him a lot more like at the end of the
No,
series.
because like my
everything
perspective is that like if this was someone else's tier list and they put him in S tier, I would be okay with that. But if this is
It's
my tier
our
list,
tier
I'm putting
list.
him in B
Our
tier.
tier was
I
high.
put him in B.
Exactly.
I like Big
I
Mom
think
more than
Well,
him.
that's
He's
what I'm
just
saying.
not
That's
that-
what I'm saying.
I like Big Mom more than him, bro.
Like I think on an objective
Yeah,
level,
to
he's
be
a good
honest,
character,
yeah,
but
I
I don't
agree.
actually like him. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Like,
I think we'll like him later in the story. It's just like
He was kind of cool in that Moria thing though.
Yeah, he was.
you know what I'm
Well,
saying?
I mean, kind of.
You
I
know what
actually
I'm
like
saying?
Sengoku a lot. Sengoku's
He was
super
a
Yeah,
baller.
Sengoku is badass. He's
Goku's
awesome.
cool.
He's
Put
pretty
Goku in like A.
He's Crazingo.
Well, I high-key want to put him
I don't
S best,
think
like not justifiable
Hell
whatsoever.
no.
I do want to put him in S tier
But
for
like
Sengoku.
we can't though. We can't.
No, but it's all about the alliteration. B for Big Mom, B for Blackbeard, S for Sengoku,
S for Goku, dude. S for Goku.
S for Sengoku,
S for Goku.
S for Kaido. Wait.
It's okay. Dude, I mean, where do we put him? I mean, like we don't see that much of him, but he was so cool on Marine.
He has like 2 scenes, bro.
He's very cool though.
What's his name for the guy you like a ton, Noah? The fucking other guy. With like 2 teams.
Yeah, but Kizaru has like, or not Kizaru, Aokiji has like way more potential for
He
relevance.
also has a
later
lot
down
more.
the line.
Like, he's done a lot more. Also, just
He does.
yeah.
He has done more than Sengoku.
We
as
probably
well.
should have said like spoiler warning at the beginning.
Oh, that's
I
true.
can still
That's
do
true.
that. It's whatever.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Of
Don't do
course, I'll
that.
do that.
Shut
No, don't
What do you
that.
mean spoiler warning, bro? You're rating the fucking admirals
No,
and
because-
Yeah, but
Yonko.
people
This is-
like
this is
Luffy
manga
and Buggy,
only,
you
bro.
know.
Yeah, and Green Bull.
And
Bro,
Well, Greenville's
fuck
not.
that, bro.
Greenville's not. I mean, that's what he looks like. Whatever. All right. Where do you want to put him?
I'll put him
Put him at-
on B.
I think he's like. here.
Above
I think he
Blackbeard?
should be
Get down
A.
with that.
He's awesome.
Nah.
I think
he's
Big
doing,
Mom
like,
should be A.
anything, though.
True.
dude.
Yeah, the low key. Yeah, I'll go Big Mom.
No, but
In
then
fact-
it's not B. It's not B for Big Mom.
No. In fact, he
Shanks.
should probably be like here. To be honest,
Shanks and S tier for Shanks.
Yeah, low key.
Big Mom is like.
No, Shanks
Yeah,
should be
I
an
agree with
R
that
tier
placement.
for retarded.
Okay,
Hi.
Shanks laser beams. I mean, like that's gotta count for something.
Shanks for S tier, dude.
He
Shanks for
does
S tier.
have the Wi-Fi hockey with laser beams.
S tier for Shanks, dude.
But at the same time, though,
Dude, I really
No,
like
no,
Shanks,
Jacob,
especially
something went
these,
wrong in your
these most
family.
recent chapters. They made me like him a lot, bro. Like,
I mean he's cool, but I just don't know him. Like I don't think.
Put
anybody
him in
knows
S tier,
him.
dude. He's cool as fuck.
He can't
Shanks
be
and
S
S.
tier. He cannot be S
Dude,
tier.
S for Shanks.
Dude,
Dude,
I
I
don't
don't
think
know.
he's us. I think
Alliteration,
he's like.
bro.
Putting you under arrest.
I could give you like this maybe.
No,
No.
Sengoku is cooler than Shanks, bro.
nah,
No,
Shanks,
you're
Shanks is
fucking
low key
wrong.
cooler
You're
than
actually
Sengoku, bro.
Yeah.
No,
Nah,
Sengoku is
high key
awesome,
cooler.
bro.
High key cooler.
I think this. I
No,
think this
just
is fair.
because Sengoku's power is crazy.
This tier list trash, bro.
Yeah, but Shanks has laser beams. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he turns into a fucking golden guy.
Yeah, golden guy. I think this
That
is fair.
fires off fucking like shockwave punches, bro. Like he's
Dude,
insane.
I don't know. I like Shanks better than Kizaru, but
I don't.
I don't.
I probably will eventually, but like not yet. Oh, film red maybe? I don't know. Film red. all right. That's
Jacob,
the
Jacob.
list. That's the
Jacob,
list.
Jacob,
What?
they're fucking
What's up?
Yonkos. You have to think about the crew, bro. You have to think about the crew also.
No, the
No,
characters.
we don't.
No.
Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.